Discover how Meraki MR cloud-managed Wi-Fi transforms logistics and manufacturing. With 99.99% wireless uptime, expert Ekahau design, and fixed-price delivery, BTI Communications Group ensures seamless operations. Benefit from built-in operational technology/information technology security and guaranteed performance across all environments. Contact us for a comprehensive solution tailored to your needs. BTI Communications Group optimizes logistics and manufacturing with Cisco Meraki MR Wi-Fi. We address wireless infrastructure challenges, ensuring 99.99% uptime and reducing information technology tickets by 60%. Our fixed-price, expert-design solutions guarantee seamless integration and ongoing support, enhancing operational efficiency and minimizing disruptions. Start with a no-cost Ekahau-Powered site assessment for reliable, scalable performance. Legacy Wi-Fi systems in logistics and manufacturing struggle to meet modern demands, causing downtime, productivity losses, and security vulnerabilities. Coverage gaps in challenging environments and operational technology/information technology convergence risks further complicate operations. Fragmented management across sites leads to inconsistent policies and high costs, impacting efficiency and profitability. Cisco Meraki MR access points revolutionize wireless connectivity in logistics and manufacturing. Enjoy zero-touch deployment, centralized management, and real-time analytics. Wi-Fi 6E technology ensures high performance in dense environments. Built-in operational technology/information technology security and expert Ekahau design guarantee optimal coverage and protection, transforming operational efficiency and security posture. BTI Communications Group's Meraki MR deployments deliver significant operational improvements in logistics and manufacturing. Achieve 99.99% wireless uptime, 45% reduction in picking errors, and 38% faster order fulfillment. Experience a 70% drop in wireless-related information technology tickets and 50% lower total cost of ownership. Our solutions ensure compliance and robust security, enhancing efficiency and cost savings. BTI Communications Group excels in the logistics and manufacturing wireless market by offering expert Ekahau engineering, infrastructure-led managed IT, and discounted pricing. Our own certified crews ensure consistent quality, while 24/7 Security Operations Center, Security Information and Event Management, and Network Operations Center integration provide maximum uptime and security. We meet governance, risk, and compliance requirements and are IS Networld certified, ensuring reliable, compliant solutions. BTI's deployment framework ensures long-term Wi-Fi performance in logistics and manufacturing. It includes a no-cost Ekahau site assessment, fixed-price scope of work, predictive design, turnkey installation, operational technology/information technology security configuration, post-installation validation, and ongoing managed services. This comprehensive approach guarantees reliability, security, and adaptability over time. Request a no-cost Ekahau-powered Wi-Fi assessment for your logistics and manufacturing operations. Ensure reliable wireless infrastructure for your warehouse staff, production lines, and industrial Internet of Things devices. BTI offers expert design, installation, and a fixed monthly fee covering all services. Benefit from a site survey, modernization workshop, and a comprehensive transformation proposal.